Tired of conditioners that weigh your hair down or strip away color? SheaMoisture's Sugarcane Extract and Meadowfoam Silicone-Free Conditioner offers a sulfate-free, silicone-free solution designed specifically for dry, color-treated, and curly hair. It's not just a conditioner. It's a multi-benefit treatment that restores moisture, softens strands, and adds a natural shine you can see and feel. What sets this conditioner apart? It's crafted with an innovative blend of sugarcane extract, meadowfoam seed oil, marshmallow root, and nourishing proteins. This combination deeply hydrates without heaviness, providing slip that makes detangling and styling easier. Plus, it's free from sulfates, parabens, phthalate, mineral oil, and petrolatum, meaning your hair gets pure, gentle care without harsh chemicals. I've seen firsthand how this conditioner breathes life back into dry, brittle hair. After just a few uses, my hair felt noticeably softer and looked healthier, with a silky smooth finish that lasts all day. The formula works great as both a daily conditioner and a deep moisturizing treatment. Just leave it in for up to 3 minutes to maximize the benefits. Beyond the formula, SheaMoisture's story adds real meaning to your purchase. Founded on the legacy of Soft Tucker, a trailblazing entrepreneur who began selling shea butter and natural beauty products in Sierra Leone in 1912, SheaMoisture continues to support women in Africa by sourcing raw shea butter directly from their communities. Every bottle you buy helps reinvest in these efforts. If you're looking for a conditioner that hydrates without weighing your hair down, protects color, and enhances manageability, this SheaMoisture conditioner is worth a look. It's a salon-quality product that delivers visible results while staying true to natural, ethical ingredients. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your hair care routine with something that truly cares. Ready to experience softer, shinier hair that's easy to style? SheaMoisture's Sugarcane Extract and Meadowfoam Silicone-Free Conditioner offers all that and more. Apply it to clean, wet hair. Work it from roots to ends. Leave it in for up to 3 minutes, then rinse and style as you like. If you want to support a brand with a meaningful mission and enjoy healthier hair, this conditioner fits the bill.